so I'm gonna make my sourdough bread today. Take it out the fridge. Oh my, look at this. You see it? It's inflated. So what that means is I need to reshape it. It's very gassy. It's gotten bloated. It bloated up. First things first, and I don't understand why people that cook in the kitchen have their hair down. Get it out the way. Nobody wants hair in your food, right? First things first is get that out the way. Okay. All right. So from a little dough scraper, it's pretty thick. It's like I like it, a little thick. But anyway, so basically I'm gonna scoop it out. Why is my camera moving so much? Stop it. Anyway, actually first things first is you need to turn on your oven. So bake, put it on 450. Just because that's the way it needs to be, so hot. Okay, then press start. And then get your little Dutch oven or something like this. Stick it in there. Make sure your dog's face don't get burnt, you know. My dog's nosy. What's in there? What's in there? Not for you. Okay, and then we wait for that to get ready. In the meantime, I'm going to prep my dough, okay? Prep my dough with me. Move it, doggy dog. All right, so I got white rice flour. White rice flour, okay? Okay, and you're wondering, why white rice flour? Well, because it's very grainy and it helps your dough not to stick. So I'm going to dumpity-dump it on my surface. See if I could show you, kind of. Do you see the surface? Sort of? Yeah. Okay, don't mind all this. Don't pay attention to that. Pay attention to this. Okay. Let's scoop it out. Get it all out. Okay. With our hands. With our hands. Oh, see the bubbles? Pop. A lot of people say, don't pop the bubbles. I like popping bubbles. I know. And why is this camera on me? I'm trying to get it on the food. Okay, let's do this. There we go. Mold it. Okay. Mold it, mold it, mold it. Stretch it out. And roll it up into a ball. Stretch it out some more, because why not? Roll it up into a ball. Okay. It's cold. Okay. Dust it up with some more rice flour. Use my little sling for baking purposes so that it sticks. Okay. It's like this doughy dough on it. Okay. Then I take and score it. Let's score it right down the middle. So I went ahead and sliced that. I'm going to slice it some more. One more time. I'm going to go like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. And we'll see how that looks. Okay, my oven beeped at me. So it's time to take it out. It's hot, hot, hot. Okay. So what I like to do is take some rice, just so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Then I take my bread sling, tuck it in, right here, like so, right here. Try not to touch that because it's hot, hot, hot. Show you what it looks like inside. Look at that, look at that. It's really nice. Put my glove on so I don't burn myself. Put this back. Actually, I'm not going to tuck it in. I don't want any air to escape. Okay. Let me put it back in to the hot, hot oven. Ooh, you got to have a lot of arm strength to be able to do that one arm. Okay. Then we set this for 20 minutes. Okay. I messed up. I meant you got to put it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes with the lid closed. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Hokey pokey. We just take off the lid. Ooh, look at that. That looks nice. Look at that. Okay. Now just stick it back in the oven. Okay. All right, all right, all right. For 15 more minutes. Watch out. It's hot dog. All right. Whew, all right. 15 more minutes. Oh, 15. Okay. This is out the oven. It's very, can you hear it? Crispy. I gotta wait, let it cool for a good hour more, and then I can cut into it. Yummy, yummy. Learn to make bread. It's worth it.